Here's the video tutorial, just the play along with for 1,000 years. So if you've reviewed the 4 basic chords, which are C, A minor, F, and G, the only additional chord in this song is the D minor. It is not a complex chord to play. So you already know your F position. To get a D minor, you simply add your 3rd finger onto your 3rd string right behind this finger at the top on the 2nd fret. That's it. So you can take it off. That's your F major chord. Put your 3rd finger on there on the 3rd string on the 2nd fret right behind the other finger, and that's your D minor. And that's it. That's the only additional chord. So we have F, C, A minor, G, and D minor. And D minor shows up only at the end of the verse to take us into the chorus. So the strumming pattern for this song is in a 3/4 time, which is our waltzy kind of beat. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we tend to emphasize this first strum coming down. So our starting chord is the F chord. So 2nd string 1st fret, 4th string 2nd fret. So that's our F chord. So if you want to practice the strumming pattern on the F chord, so we have down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And so that's a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's our strumming pattern. Down, down, up, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Here's the intro. A 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I loved you for 1,000 And that's the end of this sing-along.